In this video, I'm going to show you how to move objects in Tinkercad. So doing this is actually super simple. All you have to do is click on an object, and as you can see here, you have a bunch of different options to actually move it. So if you would like to simply move it around, of course, this space over here, you can just click and drag with your left mouse button, and that way you can basically take it wherever you want. So I'm going to position it over here. That's cool. I can just click again anywhere where there's empty space inside the object, and I can take it wherever I want inside this 3D workspace. Okay, that's the first way to do it. But then of course you can also change different things. You can go and move it by of course changing its length like this, or maybe its width or height or whatever you want to achieve. And not just this, you could also click on it and use these buttons over here, which are like little squares. You can go and of course change the size of it like that as well. So by dragging, you can just click and drag and it's going to change sizes. Here you can change your height, you can change the size of it like this. You can also change width and length and stuff like that. And of course here you can also change rotation and rotate it a certain amount of degrees. Okay, then again you can just click and drag and move it around like that. So it's not really that hard to actually achieve this. Okay, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.